Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to earn on GladyGala. You can earn money in GladyGala mainly by being active inside the app. Earning usually depends on your country, time spent, and whether payouts are currently working. Now, the common ways users report earnings in this app. This include playing mini games, joining chats, party room, receiving virtual gifts, completing daily tasks, and inviting friends through referral. Let me guide you on how to use this app, and before that, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Now, the first step is by playing game. In order to have or in from this app, you use the in-app games like puzzle or casual games. Winning on or staying active may reward gem and coins. The next step you can take is to have a live room or voice chat. This simply means that you need to join party room, host chats, or be active socially in this app. Some users receive gifts from others which may convert to rewards. So when you receive gift on GladyGala, it is also a good step for you to get because the gift can be converted to earnings. The next step is daily in checks and daily and tax. This step includes logging in bonus. So any day you log in, you actually get paid through coin or gem. As you can see, my daily check up here, you can see my gem. So there's a coin that was paid for my daily check. You can see how it's increasing daily. Now, mission and event, if you're able to complete yours on this app, you also get paid. Now we have the activity strike. If you are able to complete your activity strike on this app, you also get paid for doing that. So the fourth way is through referral program. This includes inviting friends with your referral code or link. Some users report that this is one of the highest or fastest way to make money on GladyGala. All you need to do is to go to your GladyGala profile section here. So right here, you just click on the invite option, copy your link from here, then you can send it to any individual or friends of your choice, or you can share it directly from here. Share it to any of the app of your choice that you want to send it to, and if people from that chat or group or social media register through your link, you will automatically get paid for that. As you can see, it says invite a user and you get 6,000 gem, which is equivalent to $0.6. So guys, that is it on how to earn on GladyGala. If this video was helpful, please do also follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.